Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Essential key on your Nothing Phone 4a. So, what I like to use the key for is saving some quick notes. So, for example, you saw something online right here. For example, we got the Android. Now, if you are interested in the Android security bulletins, what you guys want to do is simply click on Overview. Now, we got the overview right here, and what you guys want to do is, if you're, let's say, interested in the publish date, we can just click on the button right here, and we can also add a note. So, for example, we can add the bulletins right here, and now we can save it, and whenever we go into the Essential Space app and open up the library right here, we will have the bulletins saved. So we got everything. We got where we take the note from, the time of it, and everything. So we can also add it to collection right here. For example, test. Let's click done, and now it is in the collections. So we got the collections right up top here. We got the captures, we got the note, we got the Essential Space, and we got the Chrome. Now we can also do the same if we got a crazy idea in our head and we want to save it. For example, the settings app, if we got then an idea here, we can just go over and press and hold this button, change the Wi-Fi to another network. And this is our crazy idea. We want to change the Wi-Fi to another network. As you guys can see, we can go right here and we got the audio. So of course we can just select it from settings, and we can also go right here and we can play the audio. So Wi-Fi to another network. So it worked perfectly fine. Basically, the Essential key makes you save stuff easier. It should easily give you the note analysis, and of course you can use it for assistant shortcuts. And this is basically usable in a real world, because whenever you need something quick, if you're working on a project and you don't have any ideas but one just popped into your head, you can easily press and hold the Essential key to save it and to test it out later. So you guys can easily use it, but you need to use it with a purpose. If you just want to screenshot some stuff faster, you just tap like this. You can easily add a note saying save, and as you guys can see, it was quick. Now whenever we go here, also we got this, and this is our save, but we need to be in an app in order to save the screenshot. So that's how you guys can easily use the Essential key. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.